just sitting here in Starbucks and watching the movement of people coming down the escalators. And it's non-stop, man. It's just constant. The things that draw my attention. But then it is a Sunday and it's a holiday weekend. So yeah, why not? So if you saw my earlier video, that's where we had dinner. It was just okay. Not to write home about. I don't know. Maybe my palate is way too elevated. But the places and the things that people go, ooh, wow, about, for me, it's just ordinary. What can I say?